going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again, and happy Sunday night. I hope you guys had a good weekend. We're going to be jumping into the Bitcoin price. I've actually been working on a new EP called Break a Heart. So, I'm going to be, I'm writing my book. I'm working on some music. I'm launching a couple different mentorship programs. I'm just, being more active online, being more active, pursuing what I love to do, which is just make music. I do it because I love to make music. I don't do it, to make money, So I'm excited for the new EP that's coming out. And, if you follow me on IG, I just previewed my new single called Fake Love. So, go check that out. EP coming soon. And, don't let anybody box you into, just one thing. We're very talented individuals in specific things, and many of us have many talents, right? So, try to monetize your talents, or try to, do something that allows you to do what you love to do without, having to, worry about money, and all that good stuff. So, I love Bitcoin, and, just because I'm only making videos on Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin only channel, so, this channel is specifically for, Bitcoin and, all that good stuff. But I teach financial literacy. I teach people how to, use their credit, how to leverage their credit, how to fix their credit, all that good stuff. How to, if you want to start a business in general, or start a successful credit repair business, I can definitely help you guys out with that. Make sure you guys check out swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get $10 free Bitcoin. Set up your automatic DCA. Also, make sure you guys head over to bitcoinflags.shop and get your Bitcoin flags. I got my flag on the way. I got the black and orange Bitcoin flag, so I'm excited to hang that up in my room. And make sure you check out FOMO21.com, get your Bitcoin merch. Also check out, the sunexchange.com as well. And with that being said, we're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. Let's go. All right, look at that. We are dumping. All right, so it looks like we have came down. We hit these. Let me send this alert out because I was over here jamming out. I forgot to send this alert out. Hop up in a Bentley, yeah. All right, it looks like because we are, okay, yeah, 30,000. Look at that. Broke this structure, guys. We are headed down. We had a falling wedge that I had, but this could wick back up. But I had a falling wedge, but it looks like we are falling out of this falling wedge. I'm actually sending out this alert now. Sorry about that. All right, cool. So it looks like we are on the hourly, and hourly's not looking too good right now, guys. So let's look at market cipher. Yeah. Headed down. We got a red dot headed down. RSI stochastic RSI momentum headed down. So it does look like we're coming down, and we are coming down. Let's see where we could. $29.9. Next level is the next alert. $29.6. So I've set those two alerts there. $29.6, $29.9. So we'll see how this plays out. It looks like we're wicking back up right now. I'll also check out the. That means I got to move these fibs. I drew this fib in the last video. That, of course, was muted. But even if this is the bottom wick, I have the 618 back at the top over where we are at the second lower high. So I think 0.618, which is 30,800 to 30,900, is the next level if we can, pop out of this falling wedge. If this continues to, be a falling wedge, we might just, continue to come down, or we could just wick back up, or wick on up, because it looks like we're selling off right now. And with momentum headed down, RSI, stochastic RSI headed down, and we got VWAP headed down. Everything is pointing down right now, guys, so not looking too good right now. But again, see, we're wicking back up though. So let's look at the 4-hour chart. Four-hour chart, we are looking like not looking good either. RSI headed down, stochastic RSI headed down, momentum headed down, VWAP headed down. Not looking good. Not looking good at all. So not looking good. And then let's jump to the daily. Red dot on the daily, not looking good. VWAP headed down, money flow headed down, and again red dot there, so not looking good on the daily. But we did close above 30,400. But right now we are coming down. So I have support there, support here, cool. So I already have the supports there. So on the daily, not looking too good. 4-hour, not looking too good. Weekly, still looking good. However, this could be a wick though, right? Look at this wick right there. So we could wick, because I think we're good long term again, because look at the weekly. We're still super bullish on the weekly. We got momentum headed up, RSI, stochastic RSI headed up. And then we have money flow, which is in the red, aka pink, gonna be headed up as well. So that looks good. Let's jump into the 15-minute chart real quick. 17-minute, not 15 minutes, sorry. This could be a bullish divergence. Boom. If we start to turn around here, depending on where we turn around here, it could come back up. It could come down a little bit more and then come back up. But either way, that would be a bullish divergence, because I don't think it would come down this low, but I think it can come down a little bit lower. So we got a lot of sells just now. We got VWAP headed up, RSI, stochastic RSI headed up, and then we got lots of volume right now. So let's see. Like I said, look at that, wicking up. Not even touching that. Sheesh. So I had drew what I think is going to happen. I think we're going to pop out of this falling wedge up to the 618, which is 30,900. Have an alert there at 31,000 pretty much. And then I think we could continue to consolidate there throughout the night. Then to Monday, we pump back up to 32,000. Possibly. We'll see how that goes. And then bullish for the rest of the week. We shall see how that plays out. 17-minute chart, we are, even though we have just seen the sell-off, we are wicking up heavily. There's a lot of buys here. On the other chart, I do have, or is this one? Is this the chart? Usually have order blocks. Yep, order blocks. Look at that. We got a lot of buys in this area. So even if we do come down to this area, like I said, there's a lot of buys set in this area. So that's why we have this wick, because we got a lot of orders, heavy orders here in the $30,000 range. And I had a feeling, which is why I wanted to turn on the order blocks. Order blocks is dope to see just where the blocks are, you know, and where the orders are. So with that being said, that's pretty much the Bitcoin price update right now. Just be on the lookout for, you know, these alerts. I do have an alert here, but I think we already crossed that. Yeah, we just passed that alert. So let me move that back up here. Cool. So we'll get an alert if we do come back up. I'll send that out on Twitter, and then we'll get alerts as well if we come down to these levels that I have as well marked off below. So with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Make sure you head over to follow me on Twitter at Chris9407 if you haven't already. Link down will be down below. Make sure you follow my music page. The music coming out soon. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe, please, if you haven't already. And make sure that you stack some Bitcoin, you know, and just chill. Stack some Bitcoin and chill. And I love you. God loves you. Peace, blessings, and abundance. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.